Hi everyone, my name is Kate Lynch. I'm from Allentown, Pennsylvania. For those that don't know where that is, it's near Lehigh University or Dorney Park, if anybody's ever taken a field trip there in middle school, high school, or whatever. A little bit about me. I went to Westchester University and I have a degree in kinesiology. Um, I really loved it. It really solidified my desire to become a physician's assistant, which is why I'm here taking this course. I needed to finish up some prerequisites before I finished my application. I previously took genetics with Doane and it went awesome. I really liked it, so I'm really excited to see how this course goes because I already really like the online learning academy that Doane has to offer. Some more about me at Westchester. I was a pole vaulter on the track team. I jumped 12 feet 2 inches. It was really awesome. I really enjoyed it. Something that I will cherish forever that I got to do for all 4 years of college. Lifelong friends and roommates. It was awesome. Some more about me. So right now I'm taking a gap year and I'm a medical assistant at a podiatry private practice. I get to do a lot of stuff with the patients. I take x-rays, can take stitches out. I just interact with the patients and find out why they're there that day and make a detailed note for the doctor. It's really, really awesome. I'm learning so much. The doctors are super smart and they know that I really want to learn and go into medicine, so it's really great that I found this job. I got super lucky. What else about me? So last summer I went on a mission trip to Haiti for a organization called Haiti 180, and I was there for a week. Something that I could talk about forever, so I'm just gonna keep it brief. I got to get on a helicopter from Port-au-Prince and go up into the mountains and live in an orphanage for the week and spend time with the kids and go up and down the mountains and bring food and water to some of the people in the huts that couldn't go down to the creek or the river or to the market. And we went up there and we prayed with them, we sang with them. It was incredible, something that I really enjoyed and hope to do again. Hope to do as a physician's assistant. It would be great to go and help at the medical clinic there and maybe stay there for longer than a week, but I definitely want to learn a lot more before I do that. Some more about me. Recently I've just been doing a lot of running around the neighborhood because I can't go to the gym, something that I used to really like to do. So I went from running for maybe 10 minutes straight without nearly dying because I was a pole vaulter and not a runner. And now I can run for 40 minutes straight. So go me. Um, so yeah, that's a little bit about me. I'm excited to take this course with everybody and see everybody else's videos. And if anybody wants to make a group chat or anything, I can leave my